Hello.
YouTube, we have a package. Let's check it out. It's supposed to up the pressure by like 200% and it uses way less water. And it's got these little charcoal balls and whatnot for the filter.
Should we try it?
Let's give it a try.
Okay, let's go try it. Moving into the bathroom.
Yep. So,
Just to compare.
yeah, it's just like,
It's called Rainfall.
yeah, this one's cool because you can switch it to that, but it's like a flat. Well, let's see the other one.
Putting on the new shower head.
Yeah.
Trading them out.
It's crazy because we'll be able to see like,
The water go through it.
yeah. Sorry, Chris, I'm gonna use your towel.
Ow. Dang it.
Okay. Here we go. Ah, look at that. It's clear
Oh
right
yeah.
there. Oh, sorry. Actually pretty nice. Feel it.
Nice. I like how you can like see it getting filtered in there.
We approve.
We do approve. Okay, well that's it for today's video.
Yeah, we give it a thumbs up. Much more pressure.
And I'm all about saving money and water.